All right, guys, welcome to BC. Welcome to the best place to go in Vancouver area. Welcome to the best shot I've done and the best moment I got in my life. Seriously, BC, I miss you so badly. Unfreaking real. Love that moment, love the show, love the place. Hiking, four-wheel drive, kayaking, everything you want, that's the place to be. And today, it's gonna be drone shot, yes, but also it will be the best moment you could see and the best place to have. And if you wanna go there, I highly recommend it, and I hope so you're gonna do so. And let's start with this place right now and with the intro, and after I'll give you the rest of the moment. And all you could see and all you could do, stay tuned, buckle up, we're going on a flight. Let's go. All right, the first place we're going is Morin Hike, 3.6K, 45 minutes from Vancouver up north, direction Whistler. You're on the Sea to Sky Highway, and that place is the place to be. Most of the people go to the pond down the way, and the rest is actually a pretty easy hiking. And you could actually see the Whistler area, Garibaldi area, and the Chief right there. And that place is surrounded by glaciers. One thing is really sure, there's tons of things to do in this area. You're just entering into the Squamish area. So you've got the Shannon Falls, you're gonna have the Garibaldi, you're gonna have the Chief to hike and to have some fun. So heads up over there, 45 minutes to an hour max to Squamish area. And that place, really easy hike. You're gonna have the place just only for you. I hope you're gonna enjoy that episode. We're starting that right now as is, and I'll explain the rest of the show right there. Let's go. Now, welcome to Chehalis Lake, the place I've loved the most. If you wanna hike, you want to see some beautiful waterfalls, you want to see the mountains, you want to see Emerald Pool Lake, that's the place to be. Check it out. Yes, it's well known for camping. There's a lot of guys who actually go there, families and everything. Unfortunately, there's a lot of trash, so leave it better than you found it. Yes. Pick up your stuff and bring it at home. Yeah, I do understand you guys. I know what you've done. These hole into that road over there, it's there for a reason. Some guy, they came and they decided to put these hole over there to slow down the traffic, to slow down the people who actually throwing trash on the beach. I understand, guys, what you've done, but necessarily I seen also four-wheelers who actually throw some garbage on the beach. Is that the right thing to do? For myself, I don't think so. I think you could leave this place open also for families who come to enjoy that place, as long as you keep it better than you found it. That's what I'm thinking. And the next time you'll come, there's gonna be people who's gonna be respectful of nature, and you're gonna take a beer with them and you're gonna have some fun and not yelling to each other. That's a moment. Check out the summertime we have right now. Check out like how beautiful and gorgeous it is. Could you imagine you could see in the summertime these glaciers right there, and you have some pure water you could drink. There's a stream just beside our camp. You could literally drink the water right there. As clean as it is, it comes directly from the glacier, and we are camping right there. Unbelievable, right? Now, Stave Lakes, or Mudflat. It is a reservoir, and it's well known by the Four Wheel Association of BC, and is also known by the people to do kayaking, paddleboard. That's the place to be. So there's two lakes side by side. This is the lake, the small lake, and the biggest lake. This is the one they do empty for once a year to actually do maintenance. And when they do so, the party's on for the four-wheelers. They do a mud fest and is crowdy. A lot of fun. I encourage you to go there. And now, Squamish. Squamish is the place to be for the outdooring enthusiasts. Really, if you like to mountain bike, kayaking, hiking, four-wheelings, everything you could think, climbing, this is the must-go-to place. It's getting chilly right now, as you can see. Snow is coming down on the mountains. And for myself, I do enjoy myself to be in these temperature around like 20 degrees, 18 degrees. It's perfect. I love to see the colors. I like to see the snow, and is just gorgeous. I think sometimes when you have these type of temperature, time slow down. I think it's time for you to stop and think about life and what's next. It's almost at the end of the year. I spend 1 year in BC right now. It's getting really cold up to the mountains. Yeah, love it. One of my bucket lists, St. Mark's Summit. It's a beautiful 15 kilometers, and it's a really nice hike. That was actually the plan, to be on the top of the mountains. And what? I'm in a cloud. Yeah, that was another bucket list, to become a pilot, to work for an airline, come in BC, and to have some fun. Now, achieve. Let's come back to the ground. Yes, that was the place, the moment I enjoy the most flying that thing. I actually become a pilot in the clouds, and it was so unreal. You don't need to go high. It was just there. Could you believe that? And check it out. So mystique, right? St. Mark's Summit. If you got the chance to do it, it's a beautiful hike. It's a hard hike, but it's a must do. Take the time to do it. Take the time to take the time over there. Don't rush it. No need. Because time slow down on the mountains. Right? And we are now into the Fraser Valley section, toward 3 hour east side of Vancouver. And this is Chilliwack. Four-wheeling into the forest road. Freebie. Nice place to have some fun with the friend. Have a good fire near the river. And to enjoy the mountains. Guess what? It's getting chilly, right? As I said, winter is coming. And snow is coming down. We're still having some glacier over there, but the snow is reaching the ground pretty fast. Anytime soon, there will be snow on the ground, frozen rivers, and yeah, another type of fun, right? Snowboarding, four-wheelings in the snow, or hiking with Spike. But today, that's what we have right now. A beautiful spot just for us. And rivers, mountains, how gorgeous BC is. Chilliwack. At that place, we're almost to the city of Hope. And yeah, tough to beat. I agree. These roads are not going very far sometimes. You gotta do a lot of backtracking. But spending some times in the wood grounds you and makes you realize there's something bigger than you. The river are still flowing and we're still enjoying the colors of emerald, rivers, the cloud over there. It's unbelievable, right? I hope you're gonna visit these places. Please leave it better than you found it. Yes, winter is coming. It's gonna be different. All right, I'm back in Squamish area to find the ultimate one of the 12 sauna. It's a legend, but I found one of them. And on top of that, I need to find another place. It's a hidden gem inside of the mountains. And this is actually something somehow, some way, I don't know how they put these things together at this specific height with almost nothing in this area, but it's a little house. Yes, in case you lose yourself in the mountain during a hike, you could actually make a fire over there and it's a little place you could stay. And we found it. Yes. So it's up to you to find it also. Same thing for the sauna. Here's a picture. Enjoy. Now we have Lynn's Head Water. 9.7 kilometers if you want to do that small hike, but there's other one which are bigger. And that place is for hiking and it's literally 10 minutes from North Vancouver. It's really super easy access, super easy hike, and you could have that mountains just for you. And now the final one, Mount Seymour hike. 9.5 kilometers to go to that spot. Now you could go on the top of that one, and that's going to be 15 click. The height is actually almost 2,000 meters. You look at that. Look at this mountain view. Literally 10 minutes from downtown. Let's say max 15 in North Van again. And that place is really famous. A lot of people go there and check it out. We have another shelter there. Kind of cool, right? Looks like you're in somewhere in Switzerland. Kind of crazy, right? Now this thing is actually pretty amazing. Didn't have the chance to visit that spot. As you can see, there's a lot of snow during wintertime. And it's kind of weird because downtown Vancouver, there's no snow at all. And it's like 10 degrees during winter times. And when you go there, it's like minus 10. Enjoy, guys. Thank you for staying with me until the end. And yes, the rest is only history and memory. Check it out for the pictures. We're almost done for that video. I hope you like this episode. If you really do, just please subscribe to my Patreon. It's brand new right now, and I want to leave you some straight comments directly to you. And also, I'm gonna give you a little gift and heads up to the secret spot I've been and GPS coordinate, little pictures directly to you guys specifically. Thank you again, and hope to see you soon. And to continue, I'll show you the next video. Thank you for watching Overland Subaru International. My name is Sebastian again. If you want to watch other videos, right there, right there, right there. And if you want to subscribe, right there. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Take care, guys. See ya.